All right, it's a wonderful Monday morning in Rapid City. Clear blue skies, no rain in the forecast for a while. I don't think today. It's supposed to be like 92. Um, so where I'm at is I got the switch panel started here. This is for my horn. This is for my red lights. And this was supposed to be for the headlights that I put in the front of the truck, which are right here. Put that one in, that one in, but they're not working because I need a resistor, because those are LED and they run on like 5 volts, 10 volts, 6 volts, something like that. So 12 volt is putting too much power into it, and the switch inside, I guess somebody was telling me, doesn't know what to do, so they don't turn on. But he suggested I get some resistors and put resistors on it, and I think I understand what he's talking about, but I'll probably have to draw it out for him so he understands what I did with it. Because I saw somebody else hook up headlights on their car straight from the battery, and they went from the positive on one headlight to the negative on another headlight, and then, or yeah, something like that, or negative to the positive, and then the negative to the battery or something. I forget how. Don't understand how they did it, but um, it makes sense because it completes a circuit. But I did basically the same thing, and mine don't work. So anyway, so I got to get this stuff wrapped up and everything, and this is gonna sit under Mr. Huggy over here. I'm gonna sit right there, and I'll put a couple hinges on it so when I need to get to the vent stuff I can, and this will be all wired up and probably over here on the side, or somewhere like that. But what we're gonna do right now is find out if the boom blaster horns are working, because I haven't tried those yet. I want to see if it actually works each horn like it's supposed to anyway. If I put it up, it'll work the horn on the driver's side. If I put it down, it'll work the horn on the passenger side. So this way I can still use both horns. Okay. There. So we're going to start with the first one. Turn the amp on. Let's see what the first one does. Now let's switch it to the other one and see if the other one comes on. Yep. So awesome. That works. Yeah. See, I got good ideas every now and then. So hopefully I'll get the resistors on this other switch, and that'll work the other headlights. Oop, blinded by the sun. And that'll work the other headlights. I've got more lights to put in the fender wells, and I got lights for the front fender wells. The front fender wells are a little harder to find some place to put them. Blinded by the sun again. But I'll figure something out. I'm not doing a lot of four-wheeling with this thing, so it's not like the wheels are going to be bouncing up into the fenders or anything. I guess that's about it for now. Trying to get my tables to friggin' warp back in shape. They were warped the other way, so I laid them down, and now they got warped in the opposite way. So see if I can get that so I can use it. Yard sales coming up this this coming weekend, this next weekend. If anybody's in Rapid City watching this, if the dates are right, today's the 10th, so 11, 12, 13, 14, yeah, 14th and 15th, we'll be having a yard sale. Maybe the 16th. I don't know. Sundays aren't worth it sometimes, but we have a lot of stuff, so the less I have to put back, the happier I'll be. Because most everything else is probably going to go to junkyard dump because I just got too much stuff. Problem with having yard sales or doing yard sales is, you realize you have a lot of stuff that people don't want to buy. And you keep packing it up, hoping that somebody's going to buy it. And after having it for like 2 years and still, well, had it longer than that, but after trying to sell it for 2 years and nobody buying it, you kind of like, okay, time to get rid of it. So anyway, hope everybody's having a great day. It's beautiful. I hope it's beautiful where you are. Till next time. Peace.